In this video, we're going to discuss some of the new features for the image upload feature in a grid component. So in previous versions, you could only upload images to existing records, but you couldn't upload images to the new record row. So we're going to show first how you can now upload images to the new record row. So let's go ahead now and run the component in the browser. And you'll see here that we have our new record row at the bottom of the screen. We actually have 3 new record rows here. So let's go ahead now and select an image to upload. So we'll pick our image, and now as soon as we select the image, we can see that the row has gone dirty now, so we can submit it. We don't have to actually fill in any other fields. So let's go ahead now and submit that record. So you can see now we've added a new record to the table, and there's the image over there. So we were successfully able to upload an image to the new record row and also commit the record. And if we go and look at the SQL statement that got generated, we can see that Alpha 5 did an insert, and we hadn't filled in any values in first name and last name, but it did an insert of some binary data into the image field. So next I'd like to point out some other new features of the image upload, and that is the ability to specify the image to use for the new record row. So you can see here that that these 3 new record rows, basically, which currently obviously don't have any images associated with them, it's not obvious that there's an image that could go there. So the ability to specify an image for the new record row is very useful. Also, when you look at this record number 1 here, you can see that there's a missing image over here. So the ability to specify an image to use for missing images is also quite useful. So let's go back to the builder now, and we'll switch back to this image field and now go take a look at some of its properties. So we can see now that some additional properties that are exposed now in the builder is the no image found property and the new record image. So let's first go to the no image found, and we'll choose one of the built-in images in Alpha 5, and I'll go to add in images, and I'll choose missing, and I'm going to choose this image here, which is the missing person image, and stick that in. And then for the new record image, I'll also choose a one of the built-in images in Alpha 5, but of course you can choose your own images. And again, I'll go there, and I'll choose a smaller version of the missing person image. So let's go now, and I'll just quickly save this and switch over now to working preview. And now I can see that record number 1, which had a missing image, now displays this missing image icon over there, and my new records have this little small missing image person over there. So this makes it quite obvious to the user that there's an image that should be there but that's missing, and in fact you could put a hotspot. You could make an on-click event here so that the upload image action was performed when the user clicked on the missing image icon. So going back to the builder right now, we can see that in addition to the missing image properties, you can also specify that the image should be embedded into the HTML, and what that will do is embed the base64 encoded version of the image into the HTML, which means fewer round trips to the server to fetch images. When the page is rendered, all the images are already in the page. And then finally, you can also scale the image on the server before rendering it. So let's take a quick look at how that can be done. So I've opened up the builder now, and I'm going to specify a scale of 0.5. So now when I go and render the images, you can see that everything is now shown at 0.5 of its original size, and that scaling was done on the server, resulting in a smaller payload. Thank you very much for watching.